Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, I will teach you step by step how to create logos using Canva. Logos, for example, for your own brand or a company or for a client, and all of that without being a talented artist or professional graphic designer. So simply follow my steps, guys, to apply them for yourself. So in the first step, head over to Canva, log into your account. And there are basically three different ways how you can create brand logos using Canva. The first one would be creating your brand logo entirely from scratch, guys. For example, if you consider yourself talented and skilled enough, you can do that by clicking on that create a design button here in the top right corner and by selecting a logo template from that list below with a resolution of 500 by 500 px. Alternatively, you go with a custom size template. You can do that by clicking on that button here, custom size, and simply adjust or choose your own custom size for a template like 5000 by 5000 px. And on the next page, start creating, guys, from scratch by using some of the elements and resources here from the Canva library to the left. For instance, you may head over to the element section here to the left and choose whether you'd like to use graphics, shapes, for example, for your brand logo. Also, you may choose from a wide variety of fonts to use for your brand logo's text. So for demonstration purposes, let me go with a very simple brand logo for my real estate company, just for demonstration purposes. So head over to the element section and let's go with a circle, for instance. Choose whether you'd like to go with simple shapes or with graphics. I will go with graphics, so click on see all and next choose a circle graphic from that list below. I will go with a very simple circle graphic like that. Here, click on it. There you go, just like that. Let me just change that circle's color because a white circle on a white background doesn't make too much sense, don't you agree? So let me switch to black, standard black. And next, let me add a text. And before I do that, let me also add a nice filter to make that brand logo look really unique and outstanding. So click on add image here. And next, click on see all here to choose from a wide variety of applicable filters. For demonstration purposes, let me go with that one here called Hazel and back to the previous menu by clicking on edit image here. And after that, let us add a nice text, for example, my company's name here to my brand logo. To do that, head over to the text section here on the left sidebar. Choose a nice font, like I will go with that one here. Just remember, guys, that some resources here in the Canva library can only be used if you have signed up for a paid subscription plan. These resources have been marked with a crown icon like that. Luckily though, they feature quite a lot of free stuff here in the Canva library, so let me go with that one here. Let me just adjust the size and the position of that text. There you go. Click on that text to highlight it and to change the text. Like, for example, I will call it, I don't know, real estate company. And in the second title, something like, I don't know, established in 2023. There you go. Also, let me change the color to white really quickly. And that's basically it, guys. That's the basic stuff, how you create brand logos here on Canva from scratch. Of course, you may play around here as much as you like and add all kinds of effects, elements, and so on and so forth to your brand logo. Now, guys, to save your brand logo on your computer, click on share here in the top right corner. And after that, select download. After that, select the output file like PNG or PDF or JPEG. And last but not least, export your brand logo on your computer by clicking on download here. Bear in mind though that unfortunately with a free membership here in Canva, you won't have access to the background removing tool here in Canva. So you either sign up for a paid subscription plan here on Canva to unlock that feature, or alternatively, you simply download your brand logo as a JPEG or PNG file on your computer and use an external free to use background removing tool. Option number 2 would be, guys, to simply use some of the pre-made ready to use customizable brand logo templates from the Canva library. To do that, simply click on design here in the top left corner and next browse through the list of available customizable logo templates from that list below. You may also narrow down your search, for example, by looking for brand logos under specific search terms if you like, and after that simply adjust, edit and customize your brand logo to make it look really unique and outstanding. So that would be the second option. And the third one would be to simply use the logo maker, the AI powered logo maker, the feature here on Canva. To do that, head back to your home screen on Canva, type in here in the search bar something like logo or logo maker and choose that entry here at the top, logo maker. After that, click on use a new design here, unless of course you would like to use a pre-existing design for that, choose your brand logo's custom size like 5000 by 5000 px, and after that simply give the AI the command to create a brand logo for your own company on brand here by typing in your command here into this text box, like for example, create a logo design or brand logo for my real estate company, established in 2023, vintage, black and white, with the image or illustration of a building or house in the background. So make sure you add as much detailed information to your prompt as possible to make it easier for the AI to live up to your expectations. And last but not least, click on create here to let the AI finish creating your brand logo. Wait for a moment and there you go. That's your brand logo powered or generated by the AI here on Canva. So that would be option number 3, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.